Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yep, we got the best two deals here at Lowe's. So $99, 1700 PSI Craftsman pressure washer. It does come with a nice kit, including like a soap dispenser. $149 for a 1900 PSI electric pressure washer. It comes with a little bit more pressure, and more pressure means better. So you got the 24 volt max brushless combo kit. You got the leaf blower and trimmer at $149 down from $199. And they got this one on sale, guys. So right now is the time to move on or move into this line. $5.99 down to $6.99. This is a really good deal. It does come with a 7.5 amp hour battery. It is the new Select Cut Eagle mower. It is the same price as the lower model, as you guys do see to the left. So pretty good deal on that. You got $3.99 for this Cobalt self-propelled 48 volt mower. So it's basically 24 volt max times 2. So it does take those 24 volt max batteries. At $3.99, not too bad. You got the Eagle 15-inch string trimmer with the power load, $229. This one's the one with the carbon fiber pole. You got the Crescent 25cc 2-cycle gas leaf blower, and you get a free True Fuel 32-ounce mix. So pretty good deal on that one. You get yourself a nice mix with that. I don't know if it's this one, but it's something similar to this. You got the Cobalt 24 volt max 500 CFM leaf blower down to $119. This is a pretty good price on this one from $149. And they got the chainsaws. Remember, guys, at the other store we did see them cheaper. So if you want to use the other stores tags, so you guys could price match. This one's a little bit more expensive. This one's the one that we saw for $107 at the other store. So that's a killer deal at the other store. So pretty nice. I really like these saws, these chainsaws. Alright, they got the Cobalt 12-inch chainsaw, 24 volts, $129. Then they got the Edge trimmer, 24-inch blade, $119. So that one went from $149. Alright, they got the high visibility tape measure, $11.98. This is the clearance section, by the way. So this one's labeled on both sides. Pretty nice. Alright, the next one down, we do have some Spade Bits. So, and these are compatible with your impact driver. So $8.37, they're from $13.98. It's a pretty good deal on this. So definitely pick them up all the way to 1 inch. And then you got these drills here. I have no idea what these prices are. They're the item numbers. If you guys want to check the prices at your nearest store, see if you guys could get some good deals on those. You got some 5-inch random orbit palm sender pads. And they got this rotary hammer. And they got this lightweight bike rack. So $22. That's a really good deal if you're on the lookout for something like this. So down from $89, and then they got these dryers, so $5.69. So appliances, guys, make sure you guys take a look at the appliances. You definitely want to look at this, especially if yours it's going to break. These are brand new, just people didn't want them. Maybe they have a small dent on the side or on the back. So like this one's really, really nice. Down from $7.29 down from $10.99. So that's a pretty good deal on that. It's stainless steel on the inside. So pretty good. Got $20 down from $34. Is a Craftsman truck box tray. So this is a tray that goes on the inside of the boxes. And then you got the toolboxes by themselves. They do got some new lower price. So 9 cubic feet. It's down to $358 from $409. So it's a pretty good deal, and not all the Lowe's have these. Some of them do, some of them don't. And then you got the Craftsman full size truck box, $348, and the same thing in black. $358. Then you got the slim truck box, $279. Then you got the Armor All on clearance, so $15.97, down from $19.98. That's a pretty good deal on that. I got some good deals on the black and gold oxide or black and gold bits, $9.98. That's a pretty nice kit for just under $10. Killer deal on this one, especially for the DIY. And then you do got the titanium, $19.98. So this is a pretty good deal on this one too. It's not a killer deal, but still it's a pretty good deal. Especially these are the ones that I like to use. They got impact driver, drill driver for $169. These are bare bones, just a starter kit basically for the house or even for the professional. You got $99 drill driver or impact driver. This is the 840. So this is one of the most powerful DeWalts out there. Not with these batteries though, but you know. You got a starter kit, Craig Jig, $19, down from $24.98. So a starter screw kit. And then they got the pocket hole jig 320 plus, $44, down from $59.98. And then they got this one, pocket hole jig 720 for $119. So if you guys on the lookout for these, make sure you guys check your nearby stores. They got the clamps, same brand, $39.98. Down from $49.98. They got the drill doctor. So this is like a drill bit sharpener, $79.98, down from $99. And they got this traditional guard and ribbing knife system. So I never used one of these before. Never heard of these. So $129. They got the sawhorse clamps, pony 2-pack, $69, down from $89. So it's a pretty good deal on that. Couple bucks off, and then you got this one. This one's a little different. Does have some nice clamps on the top. It's a 2-in-1, $99, down from $139. Alright, so you got the Jobsite Metabo 10-inch Jobsite table saw, $258, down from $499. Guys, if you guys are able to find this, this is a killer deal for $258. I wish I would have found that. I would have taken it. Even if I don't need it, I would have taken it. So $29 for the drywall accessory for the drywall screw gun. And you got a cutout tool there for $59. So that is it right there. Just a picture for you guys. Got the drywall screw gun for $79. You got the rotary hammer for $119, there for $169. You got the 3/8 pilot bits masonry, $277 from Spider. So it is compatible with the other Spider hole saw sets. Got the reciprocating saw blades, Bosch, $9.98, 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set. Got the buy one get one free there. So they still got these still with the 12 volts DeWalts. So, and then they got these guys. They got a whole bunch of deals here at the Metabo section. Alright, $79 for the multi-bolt 1/2 inch keyless drill. $79 for the HP multi-bolt 1/2 inch keyless drill. So same thing for that. And then they got this one. This was $120 down, $29 down from the $179. It's the cordless impact driver or impact drill driver. So that's it there at the bottom. Got the triple hammer for $118. I think this is the better deal. So definitely check that one out. I got this 4-tool combo kit for $199. You got the 36 volt battery charger. Get a free 36 volt tool. You got this one on clearance, so down to $143. 36 volt 7 1/4 saw. $59. This Boss Stitch 4 amp hour battery. So if you guys are still looking for these batteries, there are still some around on the stores. This is a 4 amp hour. They got a bunch of bits here on clearance. Same thing with these. These are nut drivers. I'm not going to go over all of them because there's a whole bunch. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.